Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you guys start implementing the right tools, right resources to start becoming profitable. It's 2025, January 1st, and let's start this year out on a green note. There's more than enough time, so don't rush the process. The markets will always be here, and just start learning the process. So let's jump on into the charts, talk to you guys about what you guys should start doing correctly, start identifying, and start becoming profitable. If you guys haven't already, subscribe. Click the like button if you guys enjoyed this video, and any questions you guys have, leave down below in the comments. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is open up TradingView. That's the first thing because we have to look at the charts, right? And I'm a full-time futures day trader. What that means is I only trade the NASDAQ. Next year we might get into some cool stuff, maybe a little crypto, maybe a little platinum, maybe a little gold, maybe a little silver, maybe a little crude oil. But as of now, this is my baby. This is what I use to trade every single morning, day and night. If you guys want, again, to join my team, trade live with us every single morning. I'll leave that link down below for you guys. All right, so first thing we gotta do is we gotta identify our strategy. You guys have to have a strategy. If you guys don't have a strategy, we have to find one. After you guys identify the strategy, then you have to master risk. If you guys don't have risk on the table, you guys aren't setting yourselves up for success. So let's mark out the main levels of support and resistance. Main levels of support and resistance, which on the 1 day time frame, here's the main level of support, here's the main level of resistance. Let's go to a smaller time frame here. Now, what do we see? So I'm going to draw zones. I like drawing zones because it's easier to identify entries and exits. If we just play off of lines, it's not going to be the most accurate, but I start off with my support, start off with my resistance. Next, I'm going to open up the rectangle tool right on here. Just go down to rectangle. And how I actually draw my zones is I start from the bottom of the overall support up to previously the next candle high. So go ahead and click on the base to next candle high, which is right here. We could edit it once we go to a small time frame. There is zone 1. Now we want to have a zone 4 up here. Again, it's pretty far away from where the current overall asset, the NASDAQ, is, but let's go ahead and draw it, right? The more practice, the better. So high of candle to next base candle. Low, high. Let me make sure it makes it look all pretty. Boom. So we have our main level zone here and our main level zone here. Next, what we want to do is go to a small time frame. Here is the 30-minute time frame. You can see that actively we are making lower lows, lower highs. You can see right here we are overall in what? A downtrend. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. Right? So we are actively in a downtrend. So right now sellers are in control, but definitely want to see what happens when price gets back down to here to see maybe if we can just chill around here and then maybe start heading higher. And maybe that can start happening probably maybe tomorrow or the next day. Again, I cannot predict the market. All I do is do what the market tells me to do. Next, let's draw our second main level of resistance. Where are the main levels of resistance? Well, we have one right around here. Right, so all we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and type in our resistance, which is right here, and then after that we're going to go ahead and put our zone just like we did. Main high, main low. Beautiful, looking pretty clean, looking pretty nice. Now what is the next step? We got our main level resistance, support, resistance, and we can draw more. There's support here, resistance here, and we don't want to just keep drawing levels just where the overall price of the commodity or whatever you're trading is. Boom, boom. Now let's go to the 5-minute time frame. We can see right here that we actually are having a little bit of consolidation right here. Since we're having a little consolidation, what is consolidation? Equal lows, equal highs. Pretty cool. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is draw our support right here, our resistance right here. All right, now it's looking pretty good. We're in a range. We're in a main level range. Resistance, support. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to go back and draw a vertical line at market open, which is right here. Market opens at 8:30 Central Time, New York session. So I'm going to pull my rectangle, get my vertical line out, and I'm literally going to draw a line right around 8:30, which is right here. Okay? This is market open. What am I going to do? Based off of what we have here, I'm going to draw the next previous high, which is right here, and the earliest previous low, which is right here. Okay, so recent previous high, recent previous low. And now I want to see where this actually moves. And we can see We broke previous low, which means most likely sellers are in control. We should be looking for shorts today. And you guys can see we sold off. We never were looking at previous highs. Buyers were just not in control today. Okay, and that's how we identify this. Okay, there's multiple ways to play this. We can do a quick trade on break of structure into what? Next level of support or at next previous low. We can wait to miss this play out here, play the previous levels of resistance right here into previous low. And what's really cool is there's so many different ways to actually trade this. So many different ways to actually decide when to get in, when to get out, and all that good stuff. Okay, and you guys can see we literally sold off the whole day. So we only should have been looking at four shorts. If for tomorrow, I'm going to draw my 8:30 candle, put a vertical line there, and if it breaks high or low, and what we can see on a bigger time frame, let me go ahead and delete some of these lines so it doesn't confuse you guys, that we actually have main level of support here that I want to make sure that we identify once we get to this level, and then main level resistance, which is right here and right here. And let me actually, I can delete some of these lines as well. And that's how we do it. We want to just find where buyers are stepping in, where sellers are stepping in, and overall make those changes correct. Again, this is just a very fast speed breakdown of what I'm looking for. I hope this helped. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. If you guys learned something, make sure to smash that like button. Let's hop one out of the charts. So I hope you guys learned something in that video. I hope that kind of makes sense. Again, if that doesn't truly make sense, watch more of my videos in the past. I break down a lot more stuff. Again, I hope to see every single one of you guys market open. Stay green, stay safe, and always control your risk. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.